Did you ever come in during the day and like hang out in the music library or any of that? Do you ever get a chance to do that?
I was sleeping a lot in the overnights, but when I was doing afternoons or middays, I would go in there and ask her questions and just to see how the system worked and how she organized things and the filing. And then, of course, here's a music director who had an assistant,
Yeah.
did work. So that really set the whole thing apart from anything that I had ever seen before. I don't know when I left CK and I programmed my first station, I would call her.
Nice.
I'd call her every week and say, Rosie, like, what's new? What's playing? Like, what do you got that nobody knows about? And I would do that
Yeah.
every week for like 2 years, and then that's when their time they're in. I guess that's when they did the sale and whatever else. But I would call her for like every
Yeah.
week and say, what's happening? And she would be so generous with her time. So it's just great.
Yeah, she helped a lot of people, in all sides of the
Oh
business
yeah,
and music
love
and
Rosie.
radio and stuff. Yeah, she's a good person. Did you ever get a chance to be in there when she was in with the promo people or stuff and actually watch any of those meetings? They were
Uh,
interesting.
I never got a chance to because I was never in programming. I was just one of the guys in the back doing a show. But I did walk the halls and on two occasions, turn the corner, and there's a guy that's maybe up to here on me, Bob Seger. I go, oh, Bob Seger.
Yeah.
Hi, Bob. I'm Charlie O'Brien. How you doing? And I went back to my studio. Another time I'm walking the halls, there's Harry Casey Jr. from Casey and the Sunshine Band. He's in the building on a Thursday for the music meetings to talk to Rosalie, and
Yeah.
he's just like leaning against the wall. I'm going like, oh, hi, how you doing? It's like, but that's the stuff that would happen.
Yeah, probably with him, Casey, Casey and the Sunshine Band, when he was in, while you were on the air, actually, because it would have been that time frame, Billy and I, Billy mainly, but then I went along with Billy, took him out to lunch because we were saying, hey, you want to go to lunch? Yeah, yeah. So, and it's just the three of us. So we go to lunch, and Billy's asking him, what do you want to eat?
He's a vegetarian, I found out.
Well, okay. Well, oh my God, that's even more. Maybe he wasn't at the time, or he just kind of went with it. But we went to. You'd have to know Windsor. We went to Malik's. So just consider that this is where you'd get a Reuben sandwich or like a sort of a really nice delicatessen.
Yeah.
Billy takes him there, and he was a ball to be with him, and he ate. I don't know. He ate like smoked meat sandwich or something like that. So maybe he became a vegan, or maybe that put him over the top.
Maybe that was. Yeah, I found out later that he was. So it's funny.